Tradestation is a powerful online brokerage built for serious active traders. It offers a feature-rich desktop platform with customizable charts, a vast array of technical indicators, and support for automated trading strategies. If you're experienced and want professional grade tools, it delivers. There's also a web platform and mobile app for trading on the go, though beginners may find the interface overwhelming. On the plus side, TradeStation offers commission-free trading for stocks and ETFs, though options and premium tools can carry extra fees. It supports a wide range of assets including stocks, ETFs, options, futures, and crypto, giving you flexibility to diversify. Research and real time market data tools are strong, and while customer support is decent, it's not lightning fast. Overall, TradeStation is ideal for seasoned traders who want depth, speed, and asset variety. But if you're just starting out, a simpler platform might suit you better.